We're gonna go shopping. Okay. Hi, I'm Stacy with Bio-Therapeutic, and today we are going to unbox the Bio-Sonic. So what is this little number? We know here that it says we have a professional cleanse in less than 2 minutes. So we're gonna be using this to cleanse the face. Here at Bio-Therapeutic, we have a whole little BT gear line. Small, efficient, battery-operated technology. And that's what we have here with the Bio-Sonic. Let's open it. We're just gonna go ahead and open, and we see we have a couple different envelopes in here. We'll set that box to the side here. I'm gonna make it look pretty. Aw, see there, you can still see the box. So what do we have here? These are great. These are little biotherapeutic manuals that come with everything that you get from Bio-Therapeutic. We manufacture, we design, we create, and we actually use all of our technologies here at Bio-Therapeutic because we have our own skin spa. So come get a facial. These are your quick start guides. Anything that I buy, I'm gonna open up the box and I'm gonna see this little guide, and it's going to tell me magically how to use my piece of technology. We have our little instruction operation guide here. The operation guide has your contraindications and important warranty information and stuff like that. So you have that available too. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of this. What we have here is this great little carry bag. One of the cool things about this is you might notice it's this lovely blue color. In this is infused this proprietary BT silver ion silicone. Proprietary means that you're not going to get it anywhere else, just at Bio-Therapeutic. That silver ion that's in there causes this material to be naturally antimicrobial and naturally disinfecting. When I store my little Bio-Sonic, I'm assured that it is in a nice sanitary environment. I will tell you, I have one of these that's extra, and I keep my travel toothbrush in it. So there you go. Now let's take a look at our Bio-Sonic. You notice it's in this kind of, unique bag. This is an anti-static bag. It's designed to protect your piece of technology from, static. Don't open this with your teeth. I just did a class and the girls were opening it with their teeth, so don't do that. Now we've got our lovely packaged Bio-Sonic. And then we have this guy all wrapped up in our bubble wrap. You can save this for your cat. Now I have a couple of things here, and when I first bought this myself, my very first Bio-Sonic, I took these off and I threw them away because I thought they were packaging material, and don't do that. You need them. This little cover right here is actually for our professional estheticians who love to use these as well. That little cover just keeps it all, neat and tidy and free from debris. This guy though, this keeps the button from turning on when you travel. So I know I come home from vacation all the time and I don't have mine on because, like I said, I threw it away, and I show up and my suitcase is vibrating. So keep your cover so that people don't wonder what's in your suitcase when you get home. So we open up our Bio-Sonic here, and we've got this little label. It tells us how to open and close. Let's just take that off. Ooh, pretty. One thing about all of our stuff really is we've got these really soft silicones here and these really beautiful bright white plastics. So take care of these guys. Don't go soaking them in, alcohol or anything like that. First thing we're gonna do when we get our Bio-Sonic is we're gonna put, we're gonna put our battery in there. The Bio-Sonic comes with batteries. How nice is that, right? I can't stand it when I get things and then I don't have the batteries, especially when they use some weird kind. This one just uses, what are these? Triple A's. You'd think I would know my battery sizes by now, but I don't. I took my glasses off so I would look pretty for you, and now I can't read this. When I put this on, there's a little tooth right here, and there's a little tooth right here. I just line up those little teeth and twist. To turn it on, I just push this little button. So if I push that button, let me push it again. I actually put the batteries in backwards because I can't see. And if your Bio-Sonic doesn't work, it sounds really goofy, but the first thing you do is do that. Check and make sure you put the batteries in properly. Couple of things to keep in mind here. You've got this little O-ring here, so just make sure that it doesn't get twisted when you put it on because you don't want to get water in there. This guy's amazing. You can't over scrub your skin, you can't hurt your skin, and the cool part, you don't have to replace this. So when you get your Bio-Sonic, this guy is part of the whole deal. So you're not going to be spending any number of dollars purchasing new replacement heads. And If you guys remember what I said about this guy having our proprietary BT Blue Azul silicone, it means it's antimicrobial. I know that we talk to you all the time about, change your pillowcases and make sure that you wash your face before you go to bed at night and make sure that you're not, transferring bacteria around, and we're all like, this guy helps you. So when you have that Azul silicone in here, that makes this naturally antimicrobial, which means that after you wash your face at night, you can just, rinse, use a little soap and water and rinse that off. And it's all nice and disinfectant and ready to go tomorrow. Of course, if you're a professional, all of our people who are using these guys in their professional environments, those guys still have to follow, public sanitation requirements. But for all of you guys at home, it's a really nice little treat. One other cool thing about this guy is you notice that it has a triangular head instead of a round head, right? So why is that cool? That triangular head combined with these little pliable edges means that you can get right in here and right in here. This thing is fabulous for these little bumps that you get right here, or perhaps some little blackheads that perhaps you get around your nose. You can use a gel cleanser, you can use a creamy cleanser. Hopefully you're using BT Ceuticals Cleanse or BT Ceuticals Cleanse Hydrating for you drier folks out there. Get a little cleanser with a little bit of water, turn it on, and just small circles here to cleanse the skin. I'm telling you, your skin feels alive after you cleanse with this. People love it. I love it. My husband loves it. My 16-year-old stepchildren love it. So there you go. The BT Sonic is water resistant. In fact, it's actually more than water resistant. This guy is as close to being waterproof as you can get without being waterproof. I feel totally okay keeping my BT Sonic in the bathroom. I just keep it right next to my sink. I've got a little moisture on my hands and I just don't even have to worry about it. I know people who keep it in their shower. So there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It has been my pleasure to go over the BT Sonic with you. I hope you've enjoyed our video. Keep an eye here on YouTube. We are gonna start putting out a bunch of these fun new videos. We love putting them together for you. And you can also check us out on our other social media platforms. So check us out on Instagram. Is that it?
Facebook, Twitter.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again for joining us, and I hope we'll see you soon.